have booked your next vacation and you're so excited to go overseas. You bought the tickets, you bought the clothes, you bought the gears, and if you're into filming, you bought all the tech stuff. I mean, like, you're ready to go on vacation. But one thing that's important that you are missing is travel insurance. So, what is travel insurance and why do you need it? I'm here to tell you that travel insurance is definitely something that you should budget for when going overseas. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and this is Chantel and I'm here with another travel video, so keep it locked and let's go. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the video and share, please. Alright, so travel insurance is so important, and it covers a wide array of things that will just come up here and there. Alright, so when giving out codes for vacations or just travels overall, we will ask you, do you require travel insurance? But a lot of persons usually say no, and sometimes I wonder, why are people saying no to travel insurance? Is it that they don't really understand what it is, or is it the cost that's associated with it, or is it that they're on a tight budget? I mean, but when I think about it and narrow it down, I really and truly think that people just don't know what travel insurance is. Alright, so today we're going to explore what is travel insurance and why you need it and how it can benefit you. So travel insurance is that extra security that covers you while you're on your vacation. So in case of any unforeseen circumstances, travel insurance is there to just cushion that gap. Alright, so example, you're overseas and you broke your leg, you broke an arm, you met in an accident, you were in an accident, something. So it's very essential that you have travel insurance so you can make the claim. Without this, there's no claim to make and you'll suffer the expenses. So when you opt out of travel insurance for your vacation package, you're really hurting yourself because anything can happen. I mean, times is so crazy. You can have some type of food poisoning or something, and you may need emergency attention, emergency medical attention, and your normal health insurance that you have at home doesn't cover you on vacation. So that's the purpose of travel insurance, to provide that extra security while you're not at home. And there are so many things that can happen. You can probably lost a luggage. So if you lost a luggage, or your luggage got damaged, you can make a claim for that. So you took a flight, you're on your way to South Africa, your bag ends up in Germany, but you're there in South Africa. You start wondering and ponder like how you go manage and all of that. So when you have travel insurance assists you with all of those things because it's very essential. You lost a luggage that has in your camera for filming, you lost a luggage that has in like your important documents and all of those things. So you're gonna be starting over from scratch and to find money to replace and replenish everything that you lost. But if you had travel insurance, you could have made the claim, get back those items that you lost. But you didn't buy travel insurance, you just went on a vacation because you're ready and you're excited and you're ready to have fun, but you not think about the essential part. And like, we always plan and we get so excited and carried away at times we don't even think about the aftermath of things. So you just definitely need to sit down and think and say, hey, travel insurance is not so bad at all, and it's not about the money. Because if you sit down and watch money every day, you're not going to buy things, you're not going to explore, you're not going to do the necessary things in life. So if it's the money that deter people from purchasing travel insurance, I definitely think that's a very narrow mindset, to be honest, because it's not expensive. The most it will run you is probably like between $30 to $70, not more than that. Honestly, I haven't seen any that costs more than that. Your travel insurance policy can reimburse you if you have a trip cancellation. So a trip or like a flight or a cruise, you pre-book a cruise, you pre-book a flight, and the trip got cancelled. your travel insurance policy can reimburse. So a lot of factors includes, so if your trip got cancelled because a family member got sick, or one of the persons that you're traveling with got sick, or they died, or any little thing like that, God forbid. So those are some of the things that contribute to trip cancellations, and you have to consider it because things can happen. There are certain circumstances that we just cannot foresee. You understand? So having travel insurance will help cushion all that. If a flight delay and you weren't even prepared for that, you're going somewhere and you're going to Costa Rica and your flight got delayed for like 24 hours, 48 hours. Well, not realistically, but so having a travel insurance, like, that is a must. All right, so some credit card companies has built-in travel insurance policy, so you won't even have much struggles with that or where that's concerned. But I definitely urge you guys to add travel insurance or travel protection plan whenever you're traveling overseas, especially if you're going to a remote area, like if you're going into Africa, you're going to see the Maasai tribe. Not saying if you're going there, but you know what I mean. So going to remote areas, you definitely need some form of coverage to help you while you're there, because you could get some form of illness, something can sting up in your foot, and you need emergency medical attention, as I had mentioned earlier. So it's definitely important. So think about it for your next upcoming trip. It's not that bad, it's not that expensive, and it's something that's quite affordable. So add it to your trip. Stop declining travel protection plan when we send you these quotations, because it's not going to cost you an arm and a leg. And just think about this: what can you bear to lose? Can I bear losing my luggage? Can I bear these medical expenses that I'm going to incur if something happened to me? So think about all these things, and then you will know the answer to those questions and say, hey, I need to have this added. All right, so thank you for joining me today on this quick little video, and don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the other video.